Barea is doing his part for the Puerto Rico Hurricane Maria recovery effort. USATC Barea assisted in the recovery process for Puerto Rico in the aftermath of Hurricane Maria by using the Dallas Mavericks team plane to deliver supplies on Monday, according to ESPN's Tim McMahon. Mavericks owner Mark Cuban loaned the plane to Barea, who is expected to return Tuesday with his mother and grandmother. Barea's father will stay behind to slug it out with recovery efforts, according to Eddie Sefko of the Dallas Morning News. Sefko also reports that Barea was not able to speak with his parents until Sunday, 4 days after the hurricane struck. Entering his 12th NBA season, Barea is currently the only native Puerto Rican in the league. "I was really proud of JJ, and how quickly he got involved, and how hard he worked to make all of this happen," Cuban said, via ESPN. Hurricane Maria hit Puerto Rico on Wednesday, and the Department of Defense reports that roughly 44% of the population is without drinking water. Barea and his wife, Viviana Ortiz, have also started a U Caring Fund, which had raised over $100,000 as of Tuesday afternoon, with a goal of $150,000.